Are you suffering from a partner who is making your life hell with their snoring? Or are you a snorer whose partner is getting sick and tired of you? Well, you are not alone. A very high percentage of couples suffer seriously from this terrible condition. Whatever the reasons behind it, everyone concerned just wants to know how to stop snoring now. There are many problems that are created by snoring. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. Asterisk lack of quality sleep affects energy and concentration levels. Asterisk continuous lack of sleep can also affect your general health with some pretty nasty results. Asterisk relationships are always strained by snoring. Lack of sleep can cause arguments and resentment towards the snorer, and if sleeping in separate beds is necessary, then there is a loss of intimacy which has often led to divorce. In order to be able to cure snoring, we have to know what is it that causes this annoying and harmful condition. It is always caused by a blocked breathing passage which causes the air to flow in an abnormal way. This abnormal circulation of air creates the noise that we call snoring. So can you get rid of these blocks that cause the snoring in the first place? Can you actually get rid of them? The good news is that you can. There are exercises you can do which can work out your breathing passages to clear those blocks and get rid of the snoring. These exercises include 1. Training the tongue to strengthen it and prevent it from dropping into your throat when you sleep. 2. Jaw exercises to get rid of any tension which will make it easier to breathe. 3. Exercises to open up your throat to stop it from closing when you sleep. These exercises can be done in just a few minutes a day, and you should start to see the results after a few short days. As with any form of exercise, be prepared to stick with it for a while to get the end results that you desire. However you are affected by snoring and however bad it is, you can rest assured knowing that it is possible to stop snoring now. These exercises can be done in just a few minutes a day, and you should start to see the results after a few short days. As with any form of exercise, be prepared to stick with it for a while to get the end results that you desire. However you are affected by snoring and however bad it is, you can rest assured knowing that it is possible to stop snoring now. To discover how you can get rid of snoring in your life forever, then get this free email series where you can learn why some people snore and others don't, other people's experiences of snoring and what you can learn from them, what are the causes of snoring, what you can do to get rid of snoring forever. Once you do, you will minutes away from getting some information which could literally change your life. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.